Ate Dina. Ate Dina Guillermo and Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, I said to both of you, you can block Paulo Cruzada. You know what, Paulo Cruzada? I'm just gonna say to you, you're the one who were perpetrator to harass Ate Dina Guillermo and Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan. And you're the one who said that, what does Paulo Cruzada says? I-hostage daw si Teacher Junelyn Bactad. Paulo Cruzada, I just want to respect you. You know Ate Dina Guillermo, but Teacher Alex and Teacher Junelyn Bactad, they didn't know you. It means hindi kanya kilala. Oh, in the first time. You're the one who started this. You know, Mr. Kulas Cruzada, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, ha? I've been talked to Jerick Silva, talked to Janica Rose Bautista. Oh. You're the one who create a fake account of Ate Dina Guillermo, Paulo Cruzada. Oh. I ask Ate Mel Canete, I say to you, kung si Paulo Cruzada ang gumawa ng fake account ng Ate Dina, I say to him, pwede nyo na lang kasuhan si Paulo Cruzada. If I were saying to you, oh, for me, I'll never do that to Ate Dina. Oh, like you, Paulo Cruzada, you have to apologize to Joseph Maspinas. Oh, for threatening him. Me, when I threatened to Ate Dina, I attack her, I ruin her reputation, I attack her opinion. I thought I talked with Ate Nenet that Ate Dina Guillermo is also Ilocano. She's non-political. If she's non-political, she's Ilocano. There's lots of Ilocano like Bea Milan Midorsky, such as the Marcos Loyalist wannabe, Kuya Copio. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, I just say to you, don't harass Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan and also Teacher Junelyn Bactad. Have mercy to that those two individuals. You said before, Paulo Cruzada, you're threatening to hostage Teacher Junelyn Bactad. Oh. I say again, Paulo Cruzada, kilala ka ba ni Teacher Junelyn Bactad? I know Teacher Junelyn Bactad. She's a practicum at that time when I was there. Oh, magkilala kami in the first time. She's a kindergarten teacher. Oh, kindergarten lang yan. Like I said, she was a sped teacher. You know, Paulo Cruzada, if I were you, if I talk to Ate Mel Canete, oh, sabi sa akin ni Ate Mel, baka mapupulis ka pa, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, makukulong ka pa, like I said. If I were you, you need to stop harassing Teacher Junelyn Bactad. You're saying about, for example, i-hostage ko si Teacher Junelyn Bactad, and then you're saying about, ako ang ISIS ng bayan. Sunugin ang, what's that Paulo Cruzada said? Sunugin ang bahay ni Jerick Silva. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, if I were you, your parents have been already told you, even your family members, your mother, Marion Cruzada, had said to you, oh, that is the real problem. You know what, Teacher May Tiburcio, I'm just gonna say to you, lecture your former student, Paulo Cruzada. Turuan mo yung tarantadong Paulo Cruzada yan para itigil na yung mga kalokohan niya, like what he is doing. Oh, I've never want to say a bad words. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, listen to Teacher May. Huh? You know, Paulo Cruzada, listen to Teacher May. If you don't listen to Teacher May, you will get you in trouble. Oh, you even know that Teacher May Tiburcio is hardworking. She has that her father died already. It is what you like to harass Teacher May, Paulo Cruzada, huh? Even Teacher Junelyn Bactad. At least I never harassed Teacher Alex. I apologize, Teacher Alex. I'm the one who created a fake account. Oh, I'm the one who created dummy troll. So I talked to Teacher Alex. Oh, and I apologize to Ate Dina Guillermo. I told to the Spedmotics, wag nyo lang po guluhin si Ate Dina. Nag-usap daw si Janica Rose Bautista. Oh, sabi ni J. Rick. You know, Paulo Cruzada, if I were you, cut up your nonsense. Cut up the word foolishness. Enough about your stupidity. This is bullshit, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, this is nonsense. Oh, kalokohan lang yan. Like I said, you know, Paulo Cruzada, if I were you, you need to stop. We are special, Paulo Cruzada. As I'm saying, you're talking about political. Oh, look at Dan Mardayaw. Look at Bam Hernando. Oh, do they talk about politics? No. Oh, at least they listen to Kuya Bear and Roylan Marlang. You know what, Paulo Cruzada? You need to stop talking about politics. Stop this political affiliation. Like, for example, Viva Bongbong Marcos. Oh, you say about ako ISIS ng bayan. That's really nonsense, Paulo Cruzada. Look at what does Kuya Bear says. Oh, look at what does Ate Dina Guillermo said. So, I said it. I just mentioned about two names. Oh, sabi nila, like I said, wag ka puro political. You know, Paulo Cruzada, if I were you, you need to stop harassing Shania Quijana, J. Rick Silva, Eboj, and even the one of J. Rick Silva's friends. Tigilan mo na sila, Paulo Cruzada. Like, you're still harassing them in the first place. Oh. Do you want to be really happen that I was scolded by Ate Mel? Do you really what happened? That my parents scolded me for what I did to Ate Dina? Huh? I could not be happen in the first place. I don't want to be happen in the first place anyway. When my dad talks to me, I said, wag mo uulitin yon. O, wag ka gagawa ng fake account. O, kay Ate Dina. O, like he said to me. O, you know, mauulit yan. Like I said, di mo mauulit yan. Like what he said to me. O, it's not really happen. O, when I talked to Kuya Bear and I, we just talk each other in not only messenger, in physical. I say to Kuya Bear, I will never make a fake account again of Ate Dina. I already apologized. While Dan Mardayaw had apologized Kuya Rodelio Daguman, he will never make a fake account of Kuya Rodelio. Oh, all he has to do, he just stop. Oh, he will never do that again. Like me, when I did to Ate Dina, I will never do that again to create fake account. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, don't do that again to J. Rick. You know, if Joseph Maspinas, if you harass him, I say it again, Paulo Cruzada, mapupulis ka pa, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, if Joseph Maspinas had already reported to Teacher May, oh, pag nagsumbong si Teacher May, galing kay Joseph Maspinas, if I'm saying to you, Paulo Cruzada, your parents will get summon from your what is that? From your parents, or even the advisors from JASAMS. Oh, it's not really good, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, I just want to demand to you, you need to apologize, Nanay Ningning, Kuya Jojo, Ate Hana, Kuya Mel, and Ate Isa. Humingi ka ng sorry sa kanila, like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada. You're the one who's responsible. Even to Lisbeta Kuznetsova, including Another one, you need to apologize. Apologize to them, Paulo Cruzada.